Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use BNB to pay trading fees on Binance step by step. Whether you're actively trading every day and want to save money on fees, or you just want to set it up once and forget about it, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating your Binance settings and unlocking fee discounts easily. So let's get started. First, just for clarity, BNB, also known as BNB, is the native token of Binance. When you enable the option to use BNB for fees, Binance automatically deducts your trading fees from your BNB balance and gives you a discount in return. Now, open your Binance app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, look at the top of the screen and tap on your profile icon. Depending on your app layout, this may be in the top left or top right corner. Inside your profile section, tap on Settings. This is where you control important account features like trading preferences, security options, and fee settings. Take your time here and follow carefully. Before you continue, make sure your Binance app is updated to the latest version, your account is fully verified, and you already have some BNB in your spot wallet. If you don't have BNB yet, you can easily buy it on the spot market. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Use BNB to pay fees. Tap on it and you'll see a simple toggle switch. Turn that toggle on. That's it. From now on, Binance will automatically use your BNB balance to cover trading fees, and you'll receive the discounted rate without needing to do anything else. It's also a good habit to check your BNB balance regularly. If your BNB runs out, the discount won't apply and fees will be charged normally. So topping up your BNB when needed ensures everything continues smoothly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily use BNB to pay trading fees and save money on Binance. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who want to reduce their trading costs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.